Hey there, Shooby Doodlers, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a wedding band. So this is like a gold ring, isn't it? So we're going to draw a curve up there like that, and then straight down, and a curve down there like that. And then we're going to want a curve to come there, and a curve to come there. So where that curve is there, we want to kind of bring this kind of little hooky kind of thing. It's a curve with two little hooks at either end. We might see a bit of the bottom of the ring there, and maybe some little dots like that, but they'll get slightly bigger like that and then smaller, so it's to give it that kind of metal shiny kind of look and thickness as well. And here they'll be similar, but they'll be kind of curves because we want to get that sort of curved wedding band look. And let's put a bit of shininess in there too, and then a little bit of shadow just to put it on the table. And there you go, how to draw a very simple gold wedding band. Thanks for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.